Your pet's blood work came back, and now you're seeing that calcium is elevated. And you're wondering, how serious is this? I'm Dr. K, and this is Inside Pet Medicine. I'm a practicing veterinarian, and I see this all the time. Lab results that sound scary, but aren't always what they seem. Let's break this down in a way that actually makes sense. Calcium is an important mineral in the body. It helps with muscle function, nerve signaling, and bone health. And because it's so important, the body actually regulates calcium levels in the blood very tightly. So when calcium is elevated, it doesn't automatically mean something severe, but it is something we take seriously. The key is understanding how elevated it is and what else is going on. There are several reasons calcium can be elevated. Sometimes it's something mild, like dehydration or even normal variation. But it can also be associated with more serious conditions, like certain cancers, kidney disease, hormonal diseases involving the parathyroid glands, or even vitamin D overdose. Here's when I start to pay closer attention. If the calcium is significantly elevated, if it stays high on repeat testing, or if your pet is showing symptoms. Those patterns suggest this may be something more than a mild change. On the other hand, if it's only mildly elevated, your pet feels completely normal, and there's a clear explanation, this is often something we monitor rather than panic about. In many cases, your veterinarian will recommend repeating the test or running a more specific calcium test called ionized calcium. From there, we decide if further testing is needed. The most important thing is not to panic over a single number. Look at the full picture, follow your veterinarian's recommendations, and don't hesitate to ask questions. An elevated calcium level doesn't automatically mean something serious, but it is something worth understanding. And like most lab values, context matters more than the number itself. If you've ever looked at your pet's lab results and felt confused, you're not alone. That's exactly why I make these videos. Subscribe for simple, vet-explained pet health.